The Israelite army stood frozen in fear. Every day, a giant named Goliath, over 9 feet tall, marched into the valley and shouted, "Who will fight me? If you win, we will serve you. But if I win, you will be our slaves." No one dared to step forward. David's bold faith. Then came David, a young shepherd, not a warrior. He heard Goliath's challenge and couldn't believe it. "Why is no one standing up for God?" he asked. While others trembled, David stepped forward with faith, not fear. The battle, faith over fear. Armed with only a sling and 5 smooth stones, David walked onto the battlefield. Goliath laughed at him, but David stood firm. With one swift motion, he slung a stone through the air. Smack! The giant fell with a mighty crash. The battle was over before it even began. 4. Ending. The lesson. The Israelites erupted in cheers. The Philistines ran in terror. David didn't win because he was strong. He won because he trusted God completely. 5. Moral message. No matter how big your problems seem, God is always bigger. When you trust Him, even the biggest giants can fall. 6. Closing verse. With God, all things are possible. Matthew 19:26.